Hello everyone, this is Sonia Kaushik and you are watching my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to explain you the new syllabus for session 2021 for class 9. And in this video I am going to explain what type of chapters that are reduced this time or deleted this time, and what will be the syllabus in term 1 and term 2 along with your practical syllabus. So let's start today's video. uh, if we talk about the syllabus in term 1, syllabus in term 2. So unit 1, 2 and 3 will be in term 1. Unit 1, 2, 3, this will be in unit, sorry, the chapters, different chapters from this unit will be in term 2. Like chapter 2nd from unit 1 will be in term 1. Chapter 5 and 6 from unit 2 will be in term 1. Chapter 8 and 9 will from unit 3 will be in term 1. In term 2, chapter number 3 and 4 from unit 1, chapter number 13 from unit 2, chapter number 9 and 10 from unit 3. So, total theory exam in term 1 and term 2 will be of 80 marks. 10 marks assessment will be given from term 1 and 10 marks assessment will be given in term 2. So, let's discuss the syllabus in detail. In term 1, we have chapter number 2, that is matter around us pure. Chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. This is from biology, and this is from chemistry. Again, chapter tissue from biology. Then chapter 8 from physics. Chapter 9, the force and laws of motion from physics. So, how many total chapters are there in term 1? 2 from physics, 2 from biology, and 1 from chemistry. This will be the syllabus for term 1. In term 2, chapter number 3, atoms and molecules from chemistry, structure of atom from chemistry, and chapter number 10, gravitation from physics, chapter number 11, work and energy from physics, 2 from chemistry, 2 from physics, and 1 chapter, why do we fall ill? This will be from biology. Total 2 from chemistry, 2 from physics, and 1 total 5 chapter will be there in term. And some chapters are there that are only for internal assessment. These are chapter number 14, natural resources, and the topics physical resources and biogeochemical cycles in nature. So next we are coming to the list of practicals for term 1 and list of practicals for term 2. In term 1, preparation of two solution of common salt sugar and elm, and a suspension of soil, chalk powder and fine sand in water. C, a colloidal solution of starch in water and egg albumin in water, and you have to distinguish between transparency, filtration criteria and stability. Next is preparation of a mixture, compound, iron filling, sulfur powder, and you have to distinguish between their appearance, whether they are homogeneous or heterogeneous, and you have to check their behavior towards a magnet. You have to check their behavior towards the chemical disulfide as a solvent and the effect of heat. In next experiment, you have to perform following reactions like iron with copper sulfate solution in water. Next reaction, burning of magnesium ribbon in air. Next, zinc with dilute sulfuric acid. Next, heating of copper sulfate crystals. And next, sodium sulfate with barium chloride in the form of their solution in water. Next experiment, preparation of stain temporary mounts of onion peel, human chick cells to record the observation and draw their label diagram. This is from biology. And fifth, that is the identification of parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma parts and smooth, straightened and cardiac muscles as well as nerve cells. And in term 2, list of experiments will be to determine the density of solid by using a spring balance and to measure cylinder. And experiment number 2 will be establishing the relation between the loss of weight of solid when fully immersed in tap water and B, strongly salted water with the weight of water displaced by it by taking at least two different solids. So This will be from physics. And next experiment, verification of law of conservation, again from physics. So this is all about the syllabus for class 9th. I hope this video will be helpful for class 9 students who are waiting for their reduced syllabus and new syllabus update. So this video is all about class 9th science syllabus. Goodbye everyone.